Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can enable Telegram X data saver mode. Before that, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post. Without further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Telegram X app on your phone. Then on the top left corner, you can see the 3-bar icon. You tap on it, then go to settings. Scroll down until you see the option of data and storage. Tap on it. If you scroll down, then you can see a switch that reads data saver. So if you toggle the switch, it will enable the data saver. If you scroll down and go to automatic media download, you can see you have options called in private chats, in group and in channels. If you disable all the automatic media downloads that takes place in them, you will be saving your data. And that's how you can save your data in Telegram X app. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.